Mates often compete psychologically regarding who rejected them, overclaiming their ability as perceived ejector versus ejected. Another tactic is to disseminate negative information about the ejected mate, which ultimately lowers the ejected partner's mate value and minimizes the damage to the perceived ejector's mate value. This also helps to minimize outrage from family members and friends of the ejected partner. So it's that age-old tactic of trying to make you look like you're really the bad one, and so that's the reason why I basically had to leave. If you would have just acted right, then I wouldn't have had to leave. I wouldn't have had to marry somebody else. But they wanted to marry someone else anyway. So what they do is they try to justify that decision. At the same time, they try to minimize that decision and how it affects them negatively. Right? They don't want to look bad in the situation. They only want to look like they had to make that decision to let you go because for whatever reason, when the actual reason is they just wanted another mate. That's it. An additional adaptive problem involves the children at post-war breakup. Ejected partners or exes resist continuing investment, preferring to use resources for securing new mates. Problems are often compounded.